right, guys. We stopped to get supper.
Yeah, where we at? We're Robertsdale, Alabama.
Yeah.
Travel Oasis.
This place is
Tell you what,
cool.
It's coming down.
It is. Look at it. It's coming down pretty good outside.
But then we stopped in here to get something to eat real quick and go to bed. And so we walked into this TA Travel Oasis.
Yeah.
And it's not too often I can say that I ain't never been to a place, and I don't think I've ever been here.
This place is pretty
This
neat.
whole truck stop is really neat.
It is. It has so much character. I'm
Now
loving this.
We're in a train car
Yeah.
in the dining room, and just walk through here.
Look at their tables. They're like shadow boxes. They have all kinds of old memorabilia. This one even has trucks in it. That's pretty neat. Old map over there.
Bunch of
The old emblems. This one's pretty cool. Love it.
Yeah, the old Matchbox Hot Wheels.
Oh, that's cool. You see the windows. It's pretty neat looking. Got some sailboats and some maps. Oh, this one's got a train in it. That's pretty neat. Freight bill. Those are neat. Old Route 66 signs. Some Prestone flyers. Firestone.
Never seen this game here.
Oh no, you're getting all ahead of me. Some military
It's like a card game.
deals. War ration booklet. Dealer's choice. Huh. Collision insurance.
I'm sure a lot of
Theft insurance.
somebody might remember those.
This one's cool too. Look at it.
Yeah, I know what that was. Track trivia. Bunch of old shoes.
Airplane memorabilia and pictures.
Bunch of old little kid shoes.
Oh, I'll get over there right now.
Oh, no. Take it forever.
I'm taking forever. It's because I'm trying to show everything in these shadow box tables.
The Derailed Diner is what they call this place.
Here's another track game.
Let's take them to the restaurant. Go show them there.
Oh.
That's all kind of new stuff, Ted Dix and stuff.
Oh.
That's why I said just go to the
I guess we
restaurant
should.
first, because it's really neat.
This is pretty cool.
I want to show you these tables because I think I really want one at our house.
I'm like totally up for it. I think that'd be really cool in our dining room. Well, these tables are the same way too. Sorry, I had a shiny moment. Look at that.
Ain't that neat?
That is pretty awesome.
That's the old airline seats at the bar.
Right there.
Motorcycle seat.
I seen that one. There's
Got
more
a sa-
airline seats
got a
over here.
saddle and a tractor seat there.
There's more airline seats over there too. This place is
Take a
cool.
run. Show 'em the.
This I like this, the table and chairs.
Oh yeah, that's neat. Show them the cash registers.
Where did I miss it?
The pirate ship. Look.
Oh,
That's where the cash registers are.
this is called Flip Flop Fudge Company.
I like the other one better though.
Oh yeah,
The other register.
it's so cool. It has so much character. You can go this way. Oh, the buggy. That's pretty cool.
Show them the other register. Right there.
And then they have this, the Old West scene up at the top. Oh, and this is the one that G and I like. Look at it. The register's built into the trailer. Look at that. That thing's pretty sweet. I lost G. He's probably went to go get our food. Alright guys, we just wanted to show you around. Bye y'all.